The fabulous thing about the program, it draws in so many other elements, like we've been able to talk about bush tucker and create gardens that are now our bush gardens. And at one stage, and still to a large degree, every garden in the school is a productive and edible garden. The little guys have got their own little tasting garden. They grow herbs to have their teas that they make and things like that.
All the students absolutely love coming down to the garden. I mean, any student, whether they're cooped up inside all day, are going to get a little bit restless. And what we find here with our students, that they come down, they be part of the garden program. Some will just want to do some watering, some will want to do some composting, some will do a few different jobs. But the students' moods change dramatically when they get down here and they really want to be part of it. The other thing we've found over the years is some students may be a little bit reluctant to be part of the kitchen garden program to start with, but then as they sort of come down week by week, they really start to really enjoy the whole process.
Well, it's a really collaborative, bonding, rich, nutritious experience for everybody. We get parents in, we get grandparents in, we have the children contributing, staff members. Yeah, it's basically a really holistic way of learning and being in the school.